They've got the skills, yeah, a bit of tech training already helps. My name's Josh, nice to meet everyone this afternoon. I'm, over the next 5 minutes, going to tell you how your businesses can become 30% more productive. Sound interesting? No? Good. I'm going to have a couple of questions for you, so a bit interactive, but no role play or anything scary like that. First question is, who thinks that their organisation or the organisation they work in could be more productive? Show of hands. Nearly everyone. A couple of confident guys in the middle there, that's good. So nearly everyone thinks their business could be more productive. That's interesting. Who thinks they could be slightly better in their business around marketing and promotion? Show of hands. Slightly fewer, but nearly everyone. Interesting. Question number 3, who thinks that the management in their business could be doing a better job, or doing more? Doing more? Oh hello, this is interesting. Cat amongst the pigeons. Okay, again, quite a few people, at least half. I assume the other half are the managers who think, no, I'm doing fine. And put your hands up if you're using Agile, or something like that in the business, everyone. And put your hands down if you think, no, how am I doing this? If you think you could be using it better, keep your hands up. So actually that's almost the same. So about 80% of the people using Agile think that they could be using it better. Okay, so what we've established here is people aren't very productive, leadership and management isn't working, and people aren't using Agile well enough. So that's kind of where we fit in, to be fair. The Skills Hub is a ESF funded project here for 2 years to work in Cornwall and Isles of Scilly, essentially to help businesses become more productive by sitting down with them, understanding who they are at the moment, where they want to get to, and working out, well, what are the skills in order to help you achieve that. And the next step is that we then route you to where that provision exists. So it might be funded, might not be, probably isn't, to be fair. And then work with you to follow your own training plan. We're independent and impartial, so we don't make any money off where we make referrals. So it's all about what the business needs, and it's all built around the business skills review. So that 2-hour session where we really unpick what's happening in the organisation. We've worked with around 200 businesses already in Cornwall and Isles of Scilly, about 3 or 4 on the Isles of Scilly. To help them work smarter and thrive through better skills. So all the stuff I got you to put your hands up earlier, we look at all of that and find out, well, how can we resolve those issues and help you become more productive in all of those elements. So a couple of examples. One is a tech example, one is loosely a tech example of businesses we've worked with. A newish AI company locally got us in, so we came and sat with them. They were looking for techies, and that's quite hard to find, to be fair, to high-skilled techies, and people like Software Cornwall are almost doing that work for us. But actually, a deeper conversation, we've got this new product, we need to be selling it to people, we need to be marketing it to new businesses. And also, he's just fresh out of university, no real leadership and management skills, so perhaps that might be something to look at as well. So that was the package, the training plan package that we worked on with that business, but only after spending that time with them. The next example is a video and photography company, not you, I'm afraid. So we went in with them, and it was quite funny talking to him afterwards, because he was saying, well, you know, my guys are highly trained in the thing that they do, so how are you going to help me? And it was a little bit standoffish, a little bit reluctant, and what he was thinking was, okay, well, they use Adobe, I'm going to say Premiere, I don't know what it is, using Adobe Premiere to a high level, so maybe we can get them trained to use it at a slightly higher level. We could have done that, but that's a bit boring, to be honest. So we kept asking a bit more questions. Well, where are the gaps in the business? Where are you falling down? What are the things that are happening that you don't want to be happening, and how can we perhaps help with skills? So actually what we ended up looking at was ignored all of the technical elements and started to get everyone trained up in account management. So all the techie type guys trained up in account management. And that means they're now sending out the invoices that they were supposed to have been sending to all of their clients. I'm not sure their clients are that happy now. But what it means overall is that they're doing exactly the same amount of work with the same people, but they're just making more money off it. So we saved them some time, but we also helped make them some money, which is pretty cool. So So that's a brief overview of Skills Hub. If you want to get in touch, hello@CIOISskillshub.com or just search Skills Hub Cornwall. I'm here for the rest of the day, so also come and have a chat with me if you've got any particular things to discuss. Things like apprenticeships for people whose hands up again, if you've got an apprentice in your organisation. So not enough of you, I would argue. So things like that, that's all changing and a bit new. Those are the types of things as well that we can talk about so that recruitment becomes more cost effective for you and your business. So if you want to get skills, come and talk to me during the rest of the day. Thank you very much.